Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to enable the option to show sales orders from all branches in a packing slip entry. By default, when you click to retrieve a sales order, the search list displays only the sales orders created in the currently logged in branch. To display sales orders from all branches, open the configuration window and navigate to the other options to section. Here, you will find the option labeled Show Sales Orders of All Branches. Enable this option and save the configuration changes. Now, initiate a new packing slip entry, select the customer, and click on the Sales Order Selection option. This time, you can see that the search list displays sales orders from all branches.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.